Hello there, Lucas from GT Towing, and today I'm going to show you how to rewire your 8-pin trailer or bike rack plug. So this is a 13-pin plug but with only 8 wires, and that's all of your working road lights, including a reverse light that was introduced in this country in 2014. First thing you want to do is remove the old cable from your plug. The new plug, you want to ensure that the back of the plug and the seal has been pushed through onto the cable before you start wiring it up. You then got 8 wires. A little tip is a lot of people just pop the copper wire straight into the receiving end of the pin, but in time that will become brittle and might work away from the plug. So a little tip to prolong the life of the plug and the cable is to twist the end of the copper wire and fold it back onto the cable, and then the screw in the pin will be pinching both the copper cable and the outer sleeving, and that's going to hold in there much more positively and for longer. In many cases on the 8-pin wiring, the earth cable is quite a lot larger than the other 7. So you might find that by pulling that cable back onto the outer sleeving, as it might be a bit too big to fit into the receiving end of the pin. So we'll just leave that one protruding out of the outer sleeving, but with it being larger, it will still offer a positive connection. Each of the pins are numbered from 1 through to 8, so we'll start with 1, and 1 is yellow. Feed that into the receiving end of the pin, like so, and then tighten up the screw. So the next is pin number 2, and that's blue. Pin number 3 is the earth cable, that's the white. Feed that in. And then back up to the top bank for pin number 4, and that is green. On the bottom of your screen you'll see a link directing you through to our website with the wiring diagram for the 8-pin plug. Next is pin number 5, which is the brown cable, and that drops down to the bank on the outside. Pin number 6 is the red cable. Seven is black. The 8th pin is the reverse light, and that can be a number of different colours. In this instance it's purple, but it might be that yours is pink or grey. You might be wiring an 8-pin plug onto your 7-core cable, in which case you might not have an 8th wire, and your trailer or bike rack doesn't have a reverse light, and that's fine. We can just leave the 8th pin blank if you don't have that 8th wire. Put your pink, grey or purple wire in pin number 8. When that's all done, we can reassemble the plug. It will only go in one way, so we do need to make sure it is aligned correctly, and there will be guidelines on the side of the plug. And then the seal at the back will come together and screw on. And that's it. And you'll want to always test your electrics and your lights on your trailer before you start towing.